Hi, this is Travis from 10 Farms, and today my laptop quit working. So this is an older Dell laptop, Studio 1737, I think is the number on it. And I've had it for quite a while. It's been a good laptop, but they wear out over time, and this one's been through a lot of abuse. Well, today I was using it, and it just completely died on me. I know the battery had been going bad for a while. I thought maybe that's what it was, but it seems to have some kind of an internal short now, because even when I just plug the power cable into it, it'll actually kind of trip the internal breaker in the charging cable, and I have to unplug it, plug it back in, and so it's just basically dead. I've got a lot of information on there that I really wanted to get off of it, so what I'm doing now is I'm going to show you how to remove the hard drive from a laptop. So in case it was just a power supply issue or something like that, hopefully I can use this hard drive and load it onto another computer and get my pictures and records and other kind of information off of there. So I'm going to show you how you take the hard drive off, and I'm also going to just show you real quick too, if you have a CMOS battery failure, which that was possible what mine was, but I don't really know for sure. I was going to replace that and see, but the actual enclosure cracked on me. So let me show you here what that looks like. This is also called a clock battery. So it's just a CR 2032 battery, and you can replace that if one of those goes bad. But when I went to replace it, tried to pop it out of here, and the whole fixture just broke off of there. So I don't have anything that I can fix that with. But anyway, I'm pretty sure that wasn't my problem. I just wanted to try it first and see. This is the actual hard drive here in this little case, and then it has this 24 pin connector on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this and show you how to take that out. The first thing I did was just take the back cover off. You can see the cover sitting right there. So let me set this back up here so you can see how to get this out of here. Zoom in a little bit. Alright. So there's just a few screws in here. Just 4 little screws that hold the actual casing in, that holds the hard drive. And then it has this 24 pin connector and this other connector here. I think this is called an SATA connector. And I'm new to this. This is really the first time I've taken one of these apart, but I did some research on it beforehand before I started tearing into it. So I just take these 4 screws out of here. I'm sorry if I'm in the way here. So just get those out of there. And you can just pull on this little thing here that holds this plug in. And then lift the whole thing out of there. So there's the hard drive in its protective case. There's the other side of the hard drive there. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to buy a new laptop, and I'm going to try and see if I can get my information off of this onto the new laptop so that way I don't lose all my records and things. Most of them are backed up, but there's some important stuff on here that I don't think I have other copies of, so I really want to make sure I get it. But yeah, that's how you do it. And then of course there's the rest of the inside of the laptop for anybody who's interested. DVD player, heatsink and things like that, the fans. But yeah, I think this one's shot. Thanks for watching.